There's no bigger enemy to a landlord than an empty rental unit, and learning to find and keep renters is an important talent for landlords to master. You see, rental properties should be comfortable and attractive in order to appeal to future tenants so they can actually see themselves calling your place home. As a result, in this video, we'll highlight 10 bulletproof rental property renovations you can start making now to maximize the earning potential in your investment property. Just remember that in order to help level up your journey in real estate and owning rental properties, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free, and we post videos every week to help you get there, so definitely keep watching. Now, from small fixes like updating hardware to larger projects like knocking down walls, there are a lot of ways to spice up a new look for tenants. But what renovations add the most value to a rental property? Here are 10 home renovation ideas you should consider. Number 1. Kitchen upgrades are necessary. What I personally have found that gives a great return on investment is updating anything and everything to do with the kitchen, especially the appliances. You see, often you'll find a rental property with a variety of mismatched appliances. You can work with the newest one and replace all the older ones to match it. Matching the finishes of the oven, refrigerator, dishwasher, and even the microwave will instantly give the kitchen a more cohesive look. Now, you don't need to buy the top of the line products, but upgrading will increase the kitchen's functionality, which is a huge win for renters. Here are some other kitchen renovations to improve the aesthetics of your rental property. First, you can improve the cabinets. Before spending too much money on all new cabinetry, simply sand and paint the existing ones yourself and top them off by adding new hardware to give it a more modern look. Next, you should invest in new countertops. If you can afford it, new granite countertops give the kitchen and even the entire apartment a newly renovated look. At the very least, choose a kitchen countertop material that's durable and can withstand heat, scratches, and stains during the summertime. Next, you should do some touch-ups. Add some relatively inexpensive touches like maybe replacing the faucet and adding a backsplash. Glass tile backsplashes look modern and are easy to clean. Tenants love low maintenance features, which also means less cleaning when it's time to turn over the property for a new renter. Here are some popular kitchen upgrades to include: a stainless steel appliance as opposed to white or black appliances, soft recessed lighting instead of top-mounted light fixtures, shaker cabinets, tile backsplash with white, gray, or even a brighter color, bronze hardware instead of brushed nickel. Number 2, bathroom upgrades add value. Owners can add additional value by making improvements to their bathrooms, especially if the upgrades are designed to conserve water. This will save your tenant money on water bills, appeal to the millennial desire to protect the environment, and enhance your property's resale value. Here are some popular bathroom upgrades among millennials. You can add low-flow toilets, low-flow shower valves, natural tile in the shower or throughout the bathroom, stand-up shower with dual shower heads instead of a bathtub. Aside from the kitchen, I would probably rank the bathroom number 2 on the list of high-priority must-haves when it comes to renting a new home. Number 3, smart home configurations become commonplace. Property owners are turning their rental assets into smart homes, especially luxury homeowners. A complete smart home renovation allows the occupants to turn on their home with the flip of a single switch. With new products like smart thermostats from Google Nest, which is now becoming a part of the new norm when it comes to thermostat and HVAC units. This provides a more attractive ease of technology appeal when it comes to renters, knowing they have the comfort of upgraded products in their home. Now, some owners are installing elements one at a time, which also includes smart sensors in the bathroom and smart exhaust fans as well. While the smart home configuration can be found in many higher-end homes, in 10 years, smart homes will be the new standard for every home, no matter how old the property is. People are constantly finding new ways to reinvent technology, so you'll have to be able to adapt sooner rather than later. Number 4, replace carpeting with hardwood or hardwood alternatives. Most owners have stopped installing wall-to-wall carpeting in their homes. While carpeting is still a sound choice for bedrooms, most millennials prefer hardwood flooring, laminate floors, or vinyl plank flooring. In fact, vinyl plank flooring is the most popular alternative to hardwood flooring due to its durability and affordability. These hardwood alternatives are also good for the environment. Bamboo, laminate, cork, vinyl plank, wood look tile, hemp wood, and even concrete. Number 5. Recessed lighting shines. Recessed lighting is becoming extremely popular among millennials. This type of room illumination allows an owner to add light without adding a fixture that extends downward and takes up space. Recessed lighting is a great solution for smaller homes and apartments. You see, some recessed lighting is so unobstructive that it doesn't compete with the decor inside the room. Number 6. Baseboard updates make a huge difference. Owners are increasingly updating the baseboards in the rooms of their rental properties. The baseboard is the trim that covers the lowest part of an interior wall. While changing the baseboard may seem like the smallest thing in the world, it can have a major impact on the entire home from a decor perspective. And some owners increase the size of their baseboards from 2 inches all the way up to 4 inches, and in some homes, owners have installed 10-inch baseboards as well. Number 7. Wall plates enter the 21st century. Wall plates, also known as switch plates, are the hard plastic covers used to protect outlets and light switches. They function to keep wires away from fingers and out of sight. For nearly 5 decades, almond-colored wall plates came standard in U.S. homes. Now today, owners are ripping these out and replacing them with crisp, new white plates. Number 8. Electrical panel upgrades provide convenience. Upgrading your electrical panel or circuit breaker panel can enable a number of millennial preferred renovations to your home. The electrical panel is a metal box, typically with a gray door, built into a wall or out of the way corner of your home. Inside the panel are the breaker switches that control the home's electricity. For older homes, we recommend that owners add a breaker or update the part of the panel that controls electricity in the bedroom. It was very common for builders of these older homes to not install light fixtures in the bedrooms, so in order to see in the dark, your resident has to buy a lamp or some other type of light fixture. Having the ability to flip a switch to illuminate the bedroom offers your tenant a more convenient solution. Number 9. New windows enhance a property's value. If you have single pane windows, it's time to upgrade to dual pane windows. 2 or 3 panes of glass means more layers of protection between the weather and your rental asset. Some manufacturers even produce triple pane windows for additional energy efficiency. Single pane windows should be removed from your home for perception purposes. You see, tenants don't want to see single pane windows because they think that energy is being lost and that they're losing money on energy costs. Double pane windows also add to your property's resale value. If you're adding beautiful new windows, don't skimp on window coverings by installing cheap looking ones. Instead, opt for metal or wooden mini blinds. If you have a bigger budget, go all out and install wide wooden blinds. Fox wooden blinds also work well. Wood, foxwood, or metal blinds make your property look classier and complement the open space. This is a more modern layout millennials prefer. Number 10. A high-tech renovation to watch. 3D home printing continues to increase in popularity throughout the United States. With New York, California, and Texas companies cashing in on the craze, the companies utilize 3D printing technology to build an entire house. 3D printing of a home is great for the environment, and the synthetic construction materials are just as durable as the natural materials. According to the National Association of Home Builders, the soaring cost of lumber has added $26,000 to the average cost to construct a home. While building massive portfolios of homes using a 3D printer is probably a trend, building massive portfolios of homes using a 3D printer is probably a trend that's many years away. It is a technology rapidly gaining popularity among millennials. So why should I renovate my rental property? You may be asking yourself if it's really worth renovating your rental. Updating appliances, putting in new floors, or even something as simple as painting the walls can maximize your rental income. Get started with these 10 upgrades to get the most out of your rental property. You are sure to see a positive response from interested renters once it's all said and done. Not only that, but you'll benefit from the property tax deductions you take from each one of these. And to understand how to go about doing that, check out this video we created that will walk you through your options. And until next time, we'll see you guys in the next video.